um Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we'll be learning kinematic introduction to kinematic. So kinematic is the study of motion of object without considering the force that causes the motion without considering the force that causes the motion. It has to do with studying the motion of that object only. So the force that causes the motion will be left out. So it deals with describing the motion. It deals with what? Describing the motion using the concepts such as displacement, velocity, acceleration, and time. So now from there we'll move to what we refer to as the key terms in this topic. One, talk about position. So the position can be in the x direction, the y direction, and the z direction. They said this is the location of a particle in space. So it can be the location of a particle in space or the location of a body in space. So that refers to as position. Then on to the next one, talk about displacement. So displacement has to do with change in the position of an object. So but in a specified direction. Let's note it, in a specified direction. So it is a vector quantity because it is in a specified direction. So vector quantity, we can just learn that they are quantity that has both magnitude and direction. They have both magnitude and direction. Now we'll go to the next one, which is distance. Distance. So distance is the total path length traveled. So the total length traveled is referred to as the distance. So it is not a vector quantity, so it is a scalar quantity having only the magnitude. So we are not concerned about the direction. Then to the next one, we talk about the speed. So the distance per unit time. Distance traveled per unit time. So it is a scalar quantity because it also does not actually deals with direction of that object. So it's a scalar quantity. Now we have the next one. We have the velocity. Velocity is the rate of change of displacement with time. And it is a vector quantity. So it has the direction is to be considered. So it is a vector quantity. To the next one, we have the acceleration. We have the word acceleration. Acceleration is the rate of change of velocity. Now, velocity is the rate of change of displacement with time. Now, for acceleration, it will be the rate of change of velocity now with time. So it is a vector quantity. So these are the key terms we'll be talking about. So the position, let's take note of that. The position, the displacement, the distance, the speed, the velocity, and the acceleration. From there we move to types of motion. So because we said kinematic has to do with the study of the motion of an object without considering the force that caused the motion. So we have to talk about some types of motion also. So firstly, we're talking about a uniform motion. Is a type of motion with constant velocity, no acceleration. That's a what? A uniform motion. Then to the second one, we have what? A uniform accelerated motion. That means constant acceleration, e.g. free fall. So the acceleration is constant throughout. And we have the third one, a non-uniform motion. So both the velocity and acceleration keep changing.